Are you prepared? Are you prepared?
Are you prepared?
Just simple questions I like to ask. Following this one, are you ready for the next disaster?
Are you ready for the next disaster?
Do you have what your family needs?
Do you have what your family needs? Everyone should have one.
Because I do, and I'm guaranteed to not let my family be without it. Everyone should have one. Can you put a price on safety? Can you put a price on life? The life of your loved ones, your friends, your family. Will you have food? Will you have water? Like my friends down south like to say, it's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it, guys. This is very, very important, critical. It could save your life. What are you gonna do about it? Over here at EmergencyWares.com.
EmergencyWares.com.
EmergencyWares.com. We have figured it out for you. All I'm saying is, guys, you've got to plug it in. You've got to get going. The time is now. You can never be too prepared. So Justin, what do you get in this emergency kit?
There's a bunch. There's like 16 on EmergencyWares.com.
Okay. Well, let's say like just for like me, if I just needed something for myself.
Sure. So the cheapest one right now is on sale.
Oh,
it's on sale. Normally $139.99. Right now it's $124.99. It's called Urban Survival Bug Out Bag. So check it out. 2 3,600 kcal food bars, 12 4.2 ounce water pouches.
Oh, wow.
Water container, instruction page. Oh, I guess you need instructions for Chlorflock water purification pouches.
So you can purify water if you happen to run out.
Purify water. You gotta purify. You're in big trouble if you need to be purifying water. Hygiene and sanitation.
No house.
What would you grab?
No shower.
What would you grab?
I wouldn't grab any hygiene items.
No, probably.
I'd probably try to grab my cat, dog, maybe.
Oh yeah, I'd grab my dog.
I would try to grab water and stuff.
Dog.
But it sounds like the way
kids.
this is set up, it's just in a backpack already.
I wouldn't even get a
Pre-packed,
picture.
right?
I'd get my computer. My dog's my kid, my computer, my kids, my computer.
Yeah.
My dog.
You wouldn't probably grab things you need. So, I mean, it looks like based off what I'm seeing here, backpack, already ready, pre-packed with all the items.
Yeah.
You can run.
Swoop
on your
it.
way to grab all the
Swoop
kids.
it.
Yeah.
Just
boom. It's already there.
Hey, yo, we gotta go.
Yeah.
Yeah, we
All
gotta
right.
go. See ya.
And here we are.
Whoa.
Here we are, back in frame.
Yeah. Okay, so what else do we got? A first aid kit. You think there's a tornado, somebody might need a first aid kit?
Yeah.
It's in the backpack already. So everyone has first aid kits, but is it all in one place? 2 light sticks, weather protection, 2 times reflective sleeping bag.
So
What is
the
it?
reflective material, actually, they designed it in NASA last time I checked. The reflective stuff actually keeps it warmer.
Really?
It absorbs heat.
That's like those shiny things they put people in that have had like hypothermia or something?
Yeah.
Okay. 2 emergency ponchos, 2 hand warmers. How long do you think the hand warmers work?
I mean, if they're those Hot Hands brand stuff, they usually say anywhere from 4 to 8 hours.
So moving on, survival gear. A survival whistle?
You never know when you might need that.
To like what? To like signal the helicopter or something?
Signal a helicopter.
Or like a some
bear?
kind of rescuer
Freak
over
a bear
there?
out.
Does a freak a bear out? A whistle?
Good.
I don't know. I don't
I've
have
never
any experience
been,
with bears. A 50-foot rope. What would we need a 50-foot rope for?
Rope, one of us in the military, has so many uses you would not believe. Let's say you cut your arm open, right? You need to apply a bandage. It's nicer cut.
What?
Yeah. Or if you broke your leg, right? You apply a stick and you have rope.
Okay.
To create some sort of
that makes sense.
some sort of stent, or hang a tent or some sort of tarp over.
Oh, that makes sense too.
Like that.
Yeah.
If you needed to hang food up in a tree,
Like
out
a
in the
quick
woods.
lean-to, you right? Like on something up high, down to something ground, and then you put your tarp over that, and then you put your little waterproof, reflective sleeping bags in there.
Yeah.
So you're warm and you're out of the rain.
Yeah.
1 duct tape.
Duct tape.
Do we really need to talk about duct tape?
Everybody knows there's endless uses for duct tape.
I ain't even got to talk about duct tape.
You already know.
You were talking about broken leg. That's where the duct tape comes, and you put some stick in, you're like,
You can do that
with the broken
all
leg.
day.
Oh, and it stops the bleeding.
Yeah, duct tape.
is
So many
legit.
things.
Work gloves.
Never know when you're gonna need to move some rubbish.
I'm not a sissy. I don't need work gloves.
It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it.
Yeah, or what if you have to like get something gnarly?
We're speaking on all disasters in general, whether it may be a
like tornado just
flood,
came through, whoof, and I'm trying to pull the debris off to get to Auntie May down there under the pile of stuff. Multi-tool knife.
Everybody needs that.
Look it up, EmergencyWares.com. There's playing cards in this one. All right, so in case you pack a couple extra cans of I figured it out. You know what I figured out? Some of the food must be in a can. We got to be able
You
to
can find out
show you.
all on EmergencyWares.com.
Yeah. Shoot us a comment, send us an email. We'll break it down for you. Emergency Preparedness Guidebook.
Are you prepared?
Are you prepared?
Are we prepared?
Are you 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 prepared? Last thing is a pencil. That way you can scratch how many days into you've stayed alive. EmergencyWares.com.
We have the answer. But have you asked the question? Are you prepared?
Hey, for real though. For real though. Everybody needs one of these. Right? You got everything else. You got the nice car, you got the nice house. Do you have an emergency kit? It's not if, it's when. It's not if, it's when. It's better to have it and not need it than it is to need it and not have it. EmergencyWares.com. Link right below. EmergencyWares.com. Right there. EmergencyWares.com. Smash the like button. EmergencyWares.com. Smash the like button. Everyone should have one. Are you prepared for when the next disaster comes?